Some of his disciples were remarking about how the temple was adorned with beautiful stones and with gifts dedicated to God. But Jesus said,
As for what you see here, the time will come when not one stone will be left on another. Every one of them will be thrown down.
Teacher,
they asked,
when will these things happen? And what will be the sign that they are about to take place?
He replied,
Watch out that you are not deceived. For many will come in my name, claiming, I am he, and the time is near. Do not follow them. When you hear of wars and uprisings, do not be frightened. These things must happen first, but the end will not come right away.
Then he said to them,
Nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be great earthquakes, famines, and pestilences in various places, and fearful events and great signs from heaven.